Okay, good morning class. Good afternoon. Right, so at this point we are wrapping up our exponential equations. And you said you had problems. Right. So this is 12C. This is grade out of the grade 8 textbook. Grade 8 worksheet 12C. Right. This is also coming in your upcoming exam, no? Right, let's go with it. You have to do the even numbers, not so?
Yes, sir.
Right, so the first one, 1.2. You got 2 raised to the exponent x equal to 32. So what can be done here? 2x is equal to?
2 to 5.
2 to the 5. Therefore?
X equal to 5.
X equal to 5. Right. 1.4. 3 to the x equal to 9. 3 to the x is equal to? 3 squared. Therefore, x is equal to? 2. Remember, once the bases are the same, exponents will be equal. Okay. 1.6. 4 to the x equal to 16. Can 16 be written as a base of 4? Yes. So 4 to the x is equal to 4 squared. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now say for instance you had gone with the fact that 16 is 2 to the 4, not so? But 4 is going to be 2 to the 2. Can you see that? Multiply that out, so 2 to the 2x is equal to 2 to the 4. Therefore 2x is equal to 4. Divide by 2 both sides. X is going to be 2. The same thing. You all okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Why are you shaking your head? What don't you understand? You understand? Did you do it this method? Then it's fine. No? One of the two. Okay, anybody else?
Mr. Bodin,
Yes?
I have a percival. Can you send it to the office with the bags, please, sir?
Can you miss the lesson, Michael? Huh? Oh, you was. Okay, no. So you started off the lesson, you said you don't understand. Now you're going home, how must I not feel? Don't look now. Huh? Right. We always go home after your maths lesson. Right, let's look at the next one. Okay. Okay, so 36 can be written as? 6 squared. So 6x.
Therefore, x equal to 2. Yes,
Right, this one. Okay, now carry on since you're on the roll. X squared is equal to? 2 squared. When exponents are equal, bases are the same. So therefore, x equal to? Right. Right, so here, this is number 2 of the same exercise, not so?
Yes, sir.
Right. Number 2.2. 2.2. What needs to be done first here? Negative 2 over. It becomes 3 to the x. Becomes 3 to the x equal to 25 plus 2, which is 27. Now what? 3x is equal to 3 cubed, yes. Therefore, x is equal to
3.
2.4. 2 times q to the x equal to 32. Who would like to do this one? You, yes, carry on. What this here? Somebody said on the side, me. Yes. Who said it?
I. So, let's say I did like, I said 4x, 4 to the x, and then equals to 2.
Now make a note there. Everybody make this note. You cannot multiply those two bases. 2 times 2 to the x. You can never multiply this. Why? Because that is a variable exponent. Yes. So you cannot multiply those bases. Why? Because of the variable exponent. Yes?
Can you please help with your, because I don't understand.
Whose fault is that? You weren't here the last lesson.
But I did watch the video.
How many times?
1 time.
There we go.
But I understood the first one.
Watch it again. But I'll go slow it for you. Okay.
I was 6, I was 9.
Oh yes? But you didn't. Because if you did, there's one less person to worry about. I'm only my ketchup. No, it's just a joke. It's just a joke. Yes? Yes? 2? That's it? Girlfriends on the side having a mother's meeting? It's only this one looking this way. Amar. You got a name usually? You know some Muslim? No, Amari. Yeah. Yes. How can we take it? How is this 2 and this 2 to the x bonded? How are they thrown together? Okay. So how do I reverse it? Yes. So you divide by 2 both sides. So that is 2 to the x is equal to 16. Now what? 16 can be written as 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So 2 to the x equals 2 to the 4. Therefore, x equal to
4.
Right, you guys understand?
Yes.
Yeah, this is so nice. 2.6. What's going to happen here? Put that away. 2x minus 2 is? Yes, sis. Absolutely. So 2 to the x minus 2 is equal to 64? It's 2 to the 6. Now what? Not O, it's an x. Therefore, 2x, x minus 2 equals? Yes. Now you take it 2 over. X equal to? 6 plus 2, which is 8. Let's look at 2.8. 2.8. What are we going to do here? Yes? 5 to the 3x is equal to 5 to the? Yes. Not so? Now what? Therefore, 3x is equal to 3. Divide by 3 both sides. Yes. Phew, I can't believe it's so easy. Grade 8, 12C, X factor. No, 12C is finished. Take a Mickey Mouse off. This is 12. So this is grade 9. Grade 9. Right. Wat gaan hier aan? Oh, I didn't do these two. Only the 10. This belongs to that one. Ooh, 10. Right, what's happening here? You don't know, neither do I. Remember? We're going to try and make the bases the same. so that the exponents can be equal. Lots of,
So did you say 3 to the 0?
yes.
Yeah.
What do you understand, Michael? You understand the same like that immediately? Nah. That's close, no? So anything to the power 0 is 1. And I choose the number in such a way that the bases can be the same. You understand? Jessica, you will look here, Michael, and I'm moving slow enough. Alright? So therefore, x is equal to 0. Verstaan julle? Ja. Right, dat is Bikkie. Ek Okay. You got 7L. Hier gaat ons. Right, what did you have to do out of here? Again the even number. So let's start with number 2. Number 2. You got 9 to the x plus 1 equals 81. What can happen here?
9x plus 1 is equal to 9 squared.
Can be written as 9 squared, yes. 9 to the x plus 1 equals 9 squared. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 2. Take the 1 over. So x is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Right, you guys got it?
Yes, sir.
Don't lose it.
I lost it over.
Now, whose fault is that? Okay, listen, you guys are making a lot of noise, no? Right, let's look at number 4. 4 times 16 to the x equals 8. Can I multiply that 4 and that 16? Yes? Didn't you make, who said yes? Lisa, didn't you write the number sheet earlier on? You can't multiply that basis y? Because of that variable exponent. Did you write it down? I must write it down in okay. You cannot multiply that. So what do we do here? Divide by? Both sides by 4. Not so? You say 16 to the x equals 2. So hang on. What are we going to do now? Divide by 16 both sides. No. No. The base is the same so that the exponents can be equal. So this base is already written as a base of 2. However, 16 can be written as 2 to the exponent 4. Raised to the exponent x equals 2. So hang on. How can we get rid of the brackets? 2 to the exponent 4x equal to 2. You always write my goal. Not in the exam, but okay, always in class. Let's say always in class. How about that? Oops. Now what? 4x is equal to? 2. What's it? What is the exponent on that 2? 1. So therefore, 4x equal to 1. Divide by 4 both sides. X is quarter. Okay? A quarter. You guys got it? Any confusion? Any confusion, Michael? What's confused about? How we get 4? Well, you were here for the last lesson. That is why. Okay. Why were you at home on Friday? All your friends said they were staying at home. No? No friends? Why did you stay at home? You see coming? Oh my word! So many of you stayed at home on Friday. It was so quiet. Now you all here today in my goodness. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Yes. Yeah. Huh? But you didn't watch the video. I made videos during lockdown and people still didn't watch it. Okay, but anyway. Number 6, hier gaat ons. We got 3 times 5. X minus 1 is equal, you take it 75 over, equals 75. Now what? Yes? Okay, what did you do? Divide by 3, yes, and then what do we get? You get 25, yes. So it's 5 to x minus 1 is equal to 25. Then you took the 25 over. Then we got what we have there now. Nice. Then what? The base is the same. So 5 to the x minus 1 is equal to 5 squared. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 2. X equal to 2 plus 1. 3 years. Right. Okay, hold on. See you for a little while. Right. 7L. Number 8. Take us off here. Oops. No, don't be rude. I can hear all the stuff you people talk about, you know. Sometimes, no, I just make as if I don't hear. Yes, I just make like I didn't hear. Huh? I know. Right. What do we do first? Number 8. Divide by 4. Yes, both sides. So in other words, okay, we got 2 to the x minus 1 is equal to, now 1 over 16 divided by 4 is the same as saying 1 over 16 multiplied by 1 over 4. Not so? Now 16 is 1 over 2 to the 4. Not so? Times 1 over 2 squared. You all agree with that? Now, this here is going to be 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 2 is 2 to the 6. So that is 1 over 2 to the 6. Now I bring this up. Because is the basis the same there? No, not yet. So I bring that 2 up, it's going to be 2 to the x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the negative 6. Let's say, hang on, is this basis the same? Yes. So the exponents will be equal. So therefore, x minus 1 is equal to negative 6. X equal to negative 6 plus 1, which is negative 1. Okay. Sorry? What did you say? Oh. You're still confused? Still confused, mas what's the video? No? What's the video over here? You must get it. Okay? For me. Let's say it right this time. No. Oh my God. Do I have the time? That's the question. You don't have the time. And plus after the 3 hour lesson, I'll probably forget anyway. Alright? But you guys must watch the video. All the nzikilos, all the examples? Yes, and then... I don't know how to record. Voorbeeld. Voorbeeld. Okay. Alright, don't be asking French for 5 minutes. Don't let me say your name is going to be forever online. Asking French for 5 minutes. Okay, that one to stop. Right, here we go. People number 10. Yo, this is a nice one for the exam.
No.
You see, this is a beautiful one. Right, who got an answer here?
I didn't.
Listen, you guys must learn these things. I got all the chocolates here for you and you people don't want them. You guys will eat chocolate. What do you eat? Pizza. No. When I imagine I get all now I say, okay, 10 people's gonna get full marks. No? Now I buy a pizza. I say, okay, 2 pizzas, divided between the 2 of you. Then nobody get full marks. What's gonna happen to the pizza? Now you see now why I look like this. Yes. So rather buy a chocolate. So if nobody gets full marks, they're also over to the next.
So much buy some nice
Lunch? No, that is for the English teachers. They can afford the lunch.
No, that's actually true.
Yeah, so the maths teacher, they can't afford that stuff. Okay, so we rather, you know, the Kit Kat. Right, here we go. What can be done first? Change the bases. Change all the bases. 16 and 64. 16 can be written as 4 squared. Can this be written as a base of 4? 4 cubed. Otherwise, you could have written 16 as 2 to the 4 and 64 as 2 to the 6. Okay. But since the call was for 4 squared first, I'm going with that. And the reason why I'm going with 4 as the base, because both can be written as 4. So it's 4 cubed raised to the x minus 6. So that's number 1. What do I do after this? Remove the brackets, or I can bring this up first. If I bring that up, what will it become? Negative 2 raised to the x minus 1 is equal to 4. And this bracket I can remove, which is 3x minus 18. Why? Because you must multiply that exponent. That's a O? X, yes. Now what do? The brackets again. Get rid of the brackets. So it's 4 to the negative 2x plus equals 4, 3x minus 18. Now what? Therefore, negative 2x plus 2 equals 3x minus 18. Now what? Isolate the x's. X is one side, numbers the other. So it's going to be negative 2x minus 3x is equal to negative 18 minus 2, which is negative 5x equal to negative 20. X is 4. Okay. Any confusion here? Huh? It's a good sum, you're going to get easily 5 marks. Okay. Yes. One day in your life you're absent in.
1 week.
Right, let's look at the next one. For those of you who are complaining about the decimals, this is how it works. Number 12. You see 2 to the 3x plus 1. Now you see 0.25 can be written as 25 over 100. 25 is going to 25 once. So that is a quarter. But are those bases the same? No. Should make it the same. So 4 can be written as what? 2 squared. So 2 to the 3x plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2 squared. Now what? Up. Becomes 2 to the 3x plus 1 equals 2 to the negative 2. Therefore, 3x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. Take the 1 over. So 3x is equal to negative 2 minus 1. Remember, when you take positive over the equal sign, it becomes negative. So it becomes 3x is equal to negative 3. Divided by 3 both sides, therefore x is equal to negative 1. Okay. Yes, there's more. Hey. Did I give you this? No. Okay. So I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. Okay? Okay, shh. Listen. You see here, there's 2 sums on the board. Who did these 2 sums already? Nobody. Right. Whoever gets both sums right, chocolate. The first person. I'll give you a small one so that you don't fall in love with me. What? Oh, you say effect? No, you can't get that. I feel shit. Okay, I'm going to pause the video now. Alright, so yes, this one person got 1 sum right, and the other side somebody else got 9.2 right. So let's see. 9.1. You got 2 to the negative 3x is equal to 1 over 4. So you got 2 to the minus 3x is equal to 1 over 2 squared. You bring that up. You get 2 to the minus 3x is equal to 2 to the negative. So therefore, negative 3x is equal to, divided by negative 3 both sides, x is 2/3, which makes a good. To me, you're in the race for the next one, huh? Don't make as if you're sleeping. The next one. (9.2). You got 3 to the exponent 3 over x equal to 27. 27 can be written as 3 cubed. So therefore, 3 over x is equal to 3 over 1. Cross multiply. So 3x is equal to 3. And you see 3 times x is 3x. 1 times 3 is 3. Divided by 3 both sides. So x is 1. Okay. There's the next 2. So you say 1, okay. Okay, people? These 2, 9.3, 9.4. Okay? So Jada, you will have the first opportunity and we'll see from there, okay? Pause the video again. I didn't pause it. No on the side. Alright, so let's see. 9.3. So 4 to the x equals 3 over 2 times 16 over 12. So 3 goes to 3 once, 3 goes to 12 4 times, 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 16, 4 times, 4 going to 4 twice, No. 2 goes into 4 twice and 2 once. So that is 2. Now 4 can be written as 2 squared. Multiply the exponents, is 2 to the 2x equals 2 to the 1. So therefore 2x is equal to 1. X is then half, which make that 1. But then you say the half for the next one, which is then the wrong. Huh? You say the half. Oh, then you said negative half. No, then. Okay, so you have 1, she has 1, and on this side you should have another one, yes. 2 to the 6x equals 0, hang on. 0,125, which is 125 over 1000. So 2 to the 6x equals 125 goes into there 1 and here 8 times. Not so. So 1 over 8. So 2 to the 6x is equal to 1 over 2 cubed. Not so. You bring this up. So 2 to the 6x is equal to 2 to the minus 3. Therefore, 6x equal to minus 3. Divided by 6. X is negative 1. You said negative. You said oh. Huh? Right, listen, between the 3 of them, whoever gets this one first. Huh? 10. All 3, yo! Alright, you'll see now. One more. How goes the chocolate to shape? One chocolate. I don't even have some. Right. Do this. Sorry? You didn't got of it already? Weren't you in class when we had that? You're again absent. You see, you say too often absent. Shame. Right? Are you waiting on Jada? Jada has the first chance. Are you so busy? Alright, this is Taskin covered. But then you won't get the chocolate. They already have 1, 1, 1. Yes. 1 over 5. Let's see. So this is simple. This is want you to calculate P. So this should simply be 5 squared times 1 over 5 to the 3. Anything to 0 is 1. So 5 squared times 5 to the minus 3. When you're multiplying it by so the same, you add the exponents. So it's 1 over. Where's that skin? Right, here we go, listen. So that basically brings us to the end of it. Okay. There's one one for Jada and one for Alright. People listen, don't forget this section is coming in the exam. Sorry? First time you got something for the year. But last year you got. No, okay. But last year you worked, man. This year you're not working. So? Sorry? You say I must make a stand again. Huh? You don't work in physics. But you're going to do science next year. Physics. Huh? But you must work now, otherwise it's going to affect your understanding of grade 10. Right, so that basically brings us to the end of this section of work. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to start revision. So I'm going to send a paper to the group. So, just settle down. You grade 9. So, the paper I want you guys to work through for tomorrow is a June 2017 San Susie High School paper. I don't think I've sent you this. Did we work through this paper yet? No. The questions I want you to do. The questions I want you to do is question out of paper 1. Who's going to put this in the group? Jessica? It's paper 1. You put P1. It's question 2. Question 3. Question 4. 5. 4. Yeah, 4. 2, 3, 4. In paper 2, your favorite, geometry. Love it. So at this point, listen, you can do the whole paper 2. So tomorrow, we're going to run through this paper, okay? And I'm already seeing similar questions that's coming in your exam. Yes. With this, you have the answers. You'll see there. The answers is with the paper. It should be at the bottom. Can you see there? But I don't write the answers from there. You're not going to learn anything. Okay, so answer those questions. You mark it from the memo to make sure you understand. During tomorrow's lesson, you will see me answer question 1 as well. Okay? But you guys haven't done this yet. This is term 3 work for you guys. But I'm going to answer it tomorrow so that it's the paper is done in total. Okay? So I'll send it to you now. You guys may pack up.